Picture this. A patient presents with an atenolol overdose. What happens now? The clinical pharmacist steps in, acting as the bridge between diagnosis and treatment. Atenolol, a beta blocker, slows the heart rate and reduces blood pressure. An overdose can lead to symptoms like slow heartbeat, low blood pressure, and even heart failure. Immediate attention is required. The clinical pharmacist's role is crucial. They provide an expert review of the patient's medications, ensuring there are no conflicts while managing the overdose. Treatment, it's complex. It might include activated charcoal to prevent further absorption, or intravenous fluids to stabilize blood pressure. In severe cases, glucagon, a hormone that increases heart rate, might be used. Remember, every second counts. Quick, accurate decisions made by the clinical pharmacist can make the difference between life and death. It's a testament to their vital role in healthcare. So that's it. Atenolol overdose and the invaluable role of the clinical pharmacist. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of clinical pharmacy.